I know that this is also a rolling story that might be getting confusing as well, but I think the whole SolarWinds hack is shaking out to be maybe the biggest cyber warfare attack ever to occur, so it's probably worth keeping an eye on. Let me just summarize the latest developments here. Sources have told Politico that the Energy Department and the National Nuclear Security Administration, which maintains, checks notes, the U.S. nuclear weapons stockpile, have also seen evidence that their networks were accessed as part of the SolarWinds hack. So again, the U.S. nuclear weapons stockpile, that's my textbook definition of not good. I've seen security folks on Twitter say that the most important computers in these systems would have been air-gapped, but still, Microsoft has also identified more than 40 customers targeted in the SolarWinds hack, 80% of them in the US, and says that the attack is ongoing. Again, I want to underline that. The hack is still happening. And I've seen security folks on Twitter warn that the mitigation of all of this, the actual going into all of these affected systems and rooting out the hackers, could take years, since the hackers have been inside these systems undetected for so long. And the CISA yesterday issued a new alert saying that they've seen evidence suggesting that attackers use malware beyond the SolarWinds vulnerabilities that have been disclosed thus far. But unhelpfully, they offered no other details like which other pieces of malware might have been involved.